G'day everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Shawn and this is RFD Hobby. Now I know it's been a minute since I've been here and said g'day and let you know what's been happening. It has been extremely busy. One of the things about living in a factory is unfortunately it leaks like a bastard. So I've had quite a bit of work on trying to get this place just workable really. The main leaks, unfortunately, are in the area where I try to sleep. On the upside, it's a great community around here where I am. The Swamp Collective next door, they are a great group of people. There's also a brewery downstairs. They have lots of live music. It's been a lot of fun. And I've met some people. I've sold quite a few pieces of my works, which has been really good. And I've managed to get quite a few things set up. So I'll give you a quick look at what I've got going on over here. Today, I've got pretty much all the machines running. I do have a markets coming up this weekend, which is great. So I'm a bit excited about that. And let me just show you what I've got going on today and what I've got coming up for a video very soon. Let's take a quick look around. Alright, so the place is still a bit of a shit show at the moment. I've got a mess everywhere, but I've got most of my things set up. Skateboard decks has been a new thing I've been looking at. Some of these have been pretty cool, so just working those out. Not perfect yet, but you know, getting a few things coming along there, which is fun. Now, as I said, I've got all my machines running today, so I've had to build this extractor hood for my laser cutters here, so just to take the air out. So let me see, we've got a couple of things going on in here. So I'm doing a couple of canvases here today. Hopefully these will work out alright. Not too sure that the settings on that are very good, but we'll see how it pans out. I've got another one going on under here. Still early stages of that one as well, so but the setup is working okay. So as you can see, I've got everything I need over here to run those. Here's my workstation. I've just been looking at making some more containers, which I'll have a video on soon. I've also been out on the weekends playing some Pathfinder. That's been heaps of fun. Over here I've got a new machine in the workshop. This is the TwoTrees SK1 3D printer. They've been wonderful enough to send this over to me, so I've been printing a few things since yesterday, so I had a little bit of trouble getting this all set up. As I said, there has been some serious leaks in the workshop, mainly over here and against this wall, which is pretty much where I have all my shit, which is frustrating, but I think I have it enough waterproofed at the moment so that we can get these machines running, which is why this video has been well delayed, but hopefully I'll have something to show you on this machine very soon. It is fantastic though. The prints that I've been getting have just been amazing. I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm winging it, but I'll tell you what, they've made it easy with this one. Now I got all my minis out, which is pretty cool, out of the boxes. Still cleaning them, so some of them still need a bit of work, but we're getting there. As far as terrain goes, things have been difficult. So all of my stuff had to be moved from against this wall, as I said, and then reset up. So I'm slowly getting back into it now, and with all my stuff set up. So this is where I live in here, and this is where it was leaking the most. But we've got most of that sorted out now. I've got a commission for a DM screen going out very shortly. This one here I've finished. The one really upsetting thing is, not long ago I bought a Canon camera to do my filming and recently knocked the tripod over and smashed it. So this is the lens, as you can see, very well cracked and not straight anymore. So this obviously does not work anymore, so I have to use my phone here to film everything, just because the camera is now out of action. But as you can see, things are slowly coming along here. Sorry for the lack of updates and the lack of videos, especially around projects. It's been really frustrating. But hopefully, now that we're waterproof, I'll be able to get things back up and running. If there's anything particular you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. If you've got anything to say about FDM printers that might help me out, please also leave a comment. I have to say though, if you have any experience with this machine, I'm sure you can attest to the fact that it is very high quality as far as I can tell. I don't have much to compare it against, but everything I've printed out so far has been just awesome. I've only had one little failure at the beginning, but I think that was just the way I tried to set it up. Anyway, I will leave it here. So thanks very much, guys. I really appreciate everyone watching. If you enjoy the channel, please like and subscribe. I will hopefully have some more content out for you very soon. As I said, it's been a bit challenging here in the workshop, just trying to get things livable. Lots of moving stuff around, avoiding the leaks and the rain. It is wet season here, so some big storms have rolled through and caused me quite a bit of pain. But anyway, onwards and upwards, you know. Just roll with the punches. So thanks again for tuning in and watching the video, guys. I will talk to you very soon and hopefully have a new video out for you soon. All right, see you guys.